Pick out the best voices and place you accordingly.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely when you're never coming round. Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired. Listen to the sound of my tears.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous
That the best of all the years have gone by.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes.
Turn around, bite eyes. Every now and then I fall apart.
And I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever, and we'll only be making it right, 'cause we'll never be wrong.
STM microcontroller.
What a lovely soprano voice you have. I'm stunned. Maybe you should be Dorothy.
No, I can't.
STM microcontroller.
Was suspended from
The memory.
Safety Patrol. How can you trust him? Who is the lead role in...
Production.
He can't be Dorothy. I'm Dorothy.
All right,
Rust community.
calm down.
I'm Dorothy. I am. My mother is the president of the...
Linux Foundation.
She can ruin your life.
Just an idea. All right, well,
STM microcontroller. Your clock speed is too low.
for any of the other
Production.
roles, perhaps you can be a...
Toaster. A toaster?
No way.